for the right vehicle? Check out 2011 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, four-wheel drive, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, climate control, fog lamps. Your new ride is just a phone call away.